Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this fresh trade we just took in. This is a 2024 Xpress all-welded X23 Bay Lounge. What a phenomenal, gigantic aluminum boat, guys. It's in great shape. This boat has approximately 8 hours on it, so it's not even broken in. And it comes with this nice aluminum custom tandem axle trailer. Let's take a look at the back. All right, guys, taking a look at the back, you'll see this boat's equipped with the Yamaha 250 Show stainless prop. Again, this boat has right at 7 hours on it, so hardly even broken in yet. Has 2 blade power poles, guys. I believe these are 10-foot power poles. Nice boarding ladder here to get aboard. Fuel fill located here on the back side. Let's climb aboard and take a look at some of the options on the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the X23 Bay Lounge. Phenomenal boat, guys. Ton of storage on here. Rod lockers that actually have locks on them throughout on port and starboard side. Additional storage up front for tackle, bait, anything else you need. Guys, you'll see right here you've got the 80-pound thrust Minn Kota terrova trolling motor. Also has the remote and also the foot pedal with it as well. So you can drive it and steer it any way you want to. Really cool little flip-up seat right here for lounging. I think that's awesome. Nice storage underneath this large forward coffin box. Guys, the whole boat is completely lined with rhino liner. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that we've got the Hummingbird 9-inch helix. All your Boca switches, mechanical gauges. You have tilt on your steering wheel, jack plate switches, stereo, which is a wet sound head unit with speakers. Guys, what a great boat, fully serviced here at MarineMax in Greenville. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our showroom. Thanks and have a great day.